Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into two powerful functions within Asinzen Insight that will revolutionize how you research Amazon products. Get My Product Info ASIN and Get My Product Info ID. These tools are designed to save you time and simplify your workflow by bringing essential product data straight into your Google Sheets. Let's start with Get My Product Info ASIN. This function retrieves a variety of details for any ASIN, including the product title, brand, variations, dimensions, weight, and much more. Everything you need to analyze your leads quickly. To use this function, you simply need the ASIN and the relevant Amazon Marketplace. Simply type Get My Product Info ASIN. Add the Marketplace in quotes and then the ASIN. Hit Enter and watch as the data populates in your sheet. Now let's talk about Get My Product Info ID, a must-have function for wholesale sellers. If you're working with UPCs, EANs, or ISBNs from a wholesaler's product list, this tool allows you to seamlessly match those IDs to Amazon listings. With this function, you can retrieve all critical data for analyzing your wholesale opportunities such as titles, brands, variations, dimensions, weight, and many more. Simply type Get My Product Info ID, followed by the Marketplace in quotes, the ID, and the ID type in quotes. If you prefer a more visual approach, you can use the Function Builder. Navigate to Extensions, Asinzen Insight, Function Builder. In the Product Data section, you'll find both functions. Let's start with Get My Product Info ASIN. Select the cells containing your ASIN. Choose the correct marketplace from the drop-down and click the button to retrieve the data. For Get My Product Info ID, select the cells with your UPCs, EANs, or ISBNs. You can fully customize the data you retrieve. With intuitive drag and drop functionality, as well as options to select or deselect specific fields, you can focus on the exact details you need, saving time, reducing clutter, and keeping your sheet perfectly organized. Then, use the drop-downs to choose the correct ID type and marketplace, and click the button to run the function. With Get My Product Info, ASIN and Get My Product Info ID, gathering essential product data has never been easier. Wholesale sellers can quickly match their product lists to Amazon listings, saving hours of manual work and making it easier to find profitable opportunities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.